Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to disable permissions for our applications to use our microphone. So, to revoke our mic perms, we have to go to the settings. Then we're looking for our security and privacy option. And here we have permission manager. And here we have all our permissions. We're looking for microphone. For example, right now, 7 applications out of 14 installed are granted microphone perms. These applications are allowed only when in use, and these are not allowed at all. So, to disable our mic, for example, we don't want Google to hear what we have to say. Ask every time, don't allow anyway, or don't allow at all. Now our Chrome is not allowed to access our microphone at all until we grant it permission manually. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.